This video tutorial I will cover Spring Bean prototype scope using annotation. Here I have defined the class employee. It has name property and getter and setter methods for name property. And here I have overridden toString method. And I have defined scope of the employee bean as prototype. If scope is prototype, then every time we call getBean method, we will get new instance. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have enabled component scan for this package. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Then I am calling getBean method of application context object and passing bean name as employee. So new employee object will be created, and in that employee object I am setting name as John. Then I am displaying the employee object, and here you can see the output. Then again I am calling getBean method of application context object and passing bean name as employee, and new employee object will be created. Then I am displaying the employee object, and here you can see the output. Two times getBean method has been called, so two instances are created. Because employee bean scope is prototype,